Welcome to another video. In today's video, we will be making mukimo. My potatoes are ready. I have my peas. I have my sweet corn. I have my pumpkin leaves that I had prepared earlier. And then on the side, I'm going to have it with my veggies. My choice of veggies is carrot and courgette. They have very good health benefits. And then I'm going to season it with black pepper and salt. I have my onions here, which I'm going to use to fry the veggies, and some of them I'm going to put in the mukimo, and that is the secret to having delicious mukimo. My choice of drink is mango mint smoothie, which is very nutritious and very, very refreshing. I like mukimo very much because you can have it with any type of meat. You can have it plain like that. You can even have it with tea, and then it's so nutritious. I'll be having this with some leftover liver. I start off by boiling my potatoes until they are soft, and also my peas until they are very, very soft. Meanwhile, I will be preparing my sweet corn, which I had already boiled. Then when my peas is ready, I just mash them until they are soft. I mash them completely. My potatoes are ready. I do the same. I mash them until they are completely mashed. And now I just mix everything together now. You see now some color is popping out. My pumpkin leaves. Look at that color. You see? Very nice. Some yellow, some green popping there. You know, when you're eating your food, it needs to look good. The secret to sweet mukimo is onions, fried onions. That is what you season it with. Just that. That is the secret to a very delicious plate of mukimo. And just like that, it's done. Let's prepare the veggies. our well-balanced meal is ready. Look at that. This meal slapped. It was very sweet, very delicious, well-balanced. Oh my goodness, this was very nice. You should try this recipe. And until next video, kindly remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. And until next video, we say bye.